Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you why English is so important for us. English is a unique language. It is a global language spoken in all over the world. Keeping this in the mind, that the Parliament has also recognized the English as an official language in addition to Hindi. Now see who has come to meet us.
Hey everyone, I am English. I am the queen of languages. I have 8 parts of speech. I want you to meet them. Meet my parts of speech.
Hi pronouns. I am a first part of speech. I am a noun. Noun are also called naming words like Sadia. Sadia is my best friend. Pen. This pen is on the desk.
Hey now, I am second part of speech. I am pronoun. I replace the noun. My examples are he, she, it, we. He is good boy. She is my best friend. It is raining. We are going to school.
My adjective, I am the third part of speech. I am verb. I am very active. I talk about actions. So like run, jump, eat. She runs very fast. The dog jumps very high. He eats an apple.
Keyword, I am fourth part of speech. I am adjective. I describe non
Here preposition. I am adverb. I am fifth part of speech.
Hey adverb. I am preposition. I am sixth part of speech.
Interjection. I am conjunction. I am seventh part of speech. I am also called journey word.
Hey conjunction, I am eighth part of speech.
I am interjection. I am very emotional. I